Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then just go to the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see the media coloring and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volume, for example your alarm, swipe here this dot to the right side with your finger, or to make it slower you can by the same way, like that. So we got here the vibration section. We can change the settings of our vibration. Also we got here the don't disturb mode. You can turn it on or turn it off. Now I'll go to the advanced section. We can here switch our ringtone sound. We got here the two slots in our device from the SIM card, so we can just select two different ringtones from our SIM cards. Also we can here just change the notification alarm sound. For example, we can switch it to the none, or select another default notification alarm sound, or also we can add the custom alarm sound here. Also get here the dial pad tone switcher that's turned on, and now when we'll just go here to our dial pad, we can hear the dial pad tones. Also the screen locking sound and the charging sound when we'll just take when we'll just lock or unlock our device. We can hear the sound of that. Also the touch sounds when we'll just tap to our screen or open the applications. We will just hear the touch sounds, and also the like a touch vibration. If we'll just turn it on, when I'll just will tap to my screen, I'll feel the touch vibration. The power on sounds, when just if you turn on the switcher, when you'll just power on your device, you will hear the hello mother sound. And also we got here the silence mode, and so that's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.